Welcome to this episode, where we will explore how to read candlestick patterns like a pro, without memorizing them. Imagine the stock market as a wrestling match between two powerful opponents, the bulls and the bears. The candlestick acts as the scoreboard, revealing who is winning at any given moment. By learning to read these patterns, you will gain a clear picture of what is happening in the market. Before diving into specific patterns, it is important to understand the basics of candlesticks. Each candlestick consists of two main parts, the real body and the shadows or wicks. The candlestick reflects four key price points during a specific period. Open price, the price at the start of the period. High price, the highest price reached during the period. Low price, the lowest price during that time. Close price, the price at the end of the period. Candlesticks show price movements in trading. The body represents open and close prices, while shadows show the highest and lowest points. A green candlestick means the price closed higher than it opened, bulls winning, and red means it closed lower, bears winning. The body length shows the strength of the price movement. Why you don't need to memorize patterns. There are many candlestick patterns. Memorizing all these patterns can be overwhelming, but here's the good news, you don't have to. Instead, focus on understanding two simple concepts. 1. OHLC, open, high, low, and close prices. 2. Market dominance, identify whether bulls or bears are more dominant during a time period. Now we will explore some common candlestick patterns and what they indicate. Let's start with strongest bullish and bearish patterns. Bullish Maruboju. This candlestick is all green with no shadows, showing that buyers are very strong, pushing the price higher without resistance from sellers having buyers fully in control. Bearish Maruboju, the opposite of a bullish Maruboju. This candlestick is all red with no shadows, indicating that sellers are strong, pushing the price down from high to low. Now, come to the second strongest bullish and bearish patterns. Hammer. A hammer is a bullish signal in a downtrend, with a small body and long lower wick, indicating buyers overcame sellers to close the price near its opening level. Shooting star. After an uptrend, buyers push the price up, but sellers push it down. A small body with a long wick shows sellers' strength. Let's explain normal bullish and bearish patterns. Normal bullish candlestick. A bullish candlestick opens low, closes high, showing buyers' control with green color. Normal bearish candlestick. A bearish candlestick shows sellers in control as the price opens high but closes lower. Here is time to discuss with reversal bullish and bearish patterns. Bullish spinning top. This small green candlestick with shadows shows a balance between buyers and sellers, signaling a potential bullish reversal. Bearish spinning top. Like a bullish spinning top, but after an uptrend, with a small red body and shadows, signaling possible uncertainty or reversal. Now, come to the weakest bullish and bearish patterns. Inverted hammer. This pattern, an upside-down hammer after a downtrend, has a small body and a long upper wick, indicating buyers push. Hanging man. The hanging man, after an uptrend, has a small body and long lower wick, showing sellers gaining control. Now, go for indecisive no-body pattern. Doji. A doji has a tiny body with shadows on both ends. The opening and closing prices are nearly the same, indicating market indecision and potential reversal or continuation. These candlestick patterns provide a strong foundation for understanding market behavior. Remember, don't take trading decisions on these patterns alone. The key is to understand what each candlestick pattern means and incorporate this knowledge into your trading strategies to improve your chances of success. Thank you for joining this episode of the Price Action course. Stay tuned for more insights in the next episode. See you next time.